Hello viewers, a warm welcome everyone. Today, let's know about the history of biology. Biology is the study of living organisms, that is, all plant and animal life, including man, and even the microbes. Its study is therefore of great importance to human society. The origin and evolution of living organisms, their structure and organization, their activities and interaction among themselves and with the environment, and even their death, all are subjects studied under biology. One of the most important characteristics of man is his curiosity. All the scientific progress that we have made till date is because of this characteristic. For example, when the great British scientist Isaac Newton saw an apple falling from a tree, he was curious to know why the apple came down and not went up towards the sky. This curiosity led him to establish the laws of gravitation. Likewise, when great biological Charles Robert Darwin traveled on the ship HMS Beagle for 5 years, visiting different continents and islands, he was struck by the wide diversity of plant and animal life. He wondered how such a wide variety of living organisms might have arisen. The curiosity led him to collect a large variety of specimens of plants and animals, including fossils, whose detailed study led him to formulate his famous theory of evolution by natural selection. The study of biology therefore started in the beginning as a result of man's curiosity about nature. He often wondered how small seedlings of plants developed into larger trees and young ones of animals grew into full-sized animals resembling their parents. Nevertheless, his interest centered around the plants and animals that he found useful for food, shelter, and clothing, or were of medicinal value. He searched, hunted, collected, and tried to preserve such species. In this process, he learned to domesticate animals and grow plants at his convenience. This was the dawn of the agriculture which changed his life altogether. Some studies have indicated that it occurred about 10,000 to 12,000 years ago. Studies have also indicated that the rice was being cultivated in the coastal areas of India at about 6,000 years ago. It is also believed that the wild rice originated somewhere on the coast of Bay of Bengal and that the Indians of Ara developed thousands of rice varieties, many of which highly valued for their fragrance or salt and food resistance. Medical science was quite developed in India several hundred years before Christ. Maharishi Atreya, Agnivesh, and Charak were well known medical practitioners of those days. Maharshi Agnivesh, a disciple of Maharshi Atreya, wrote an encyclopedia treatise on medicine under Maharshi Atreya's guidance, which was later revised by Maharshi Charak. This revised edition is famous as Charak Samhita, which is held in high esteem in our Indian system of medicine, the Ayurveda, that still derives ideas from this ancient text. A lot of studies were undertaken in India in those days in the field of surgery also. Maharshi Sushrut was a famous surgeon in those days who studied human anatomy in great detail and earned a reputation for his surgeries, especially of those nose and the eye. He also wrote a treatise on surgery known as Sushrut Samhita, which is considered the oldest text in the field of surgery. He is therefore known as the father of surgery. The study of biology as a science, however, started with the observations on plants and animals made by Aristotle, the great Greek philosopher and teacher. He is considered as one of the greatest intellectuals of human history. For his scientific study of plants and animals, he is known as the father of biology. But the term biology, bios means life, logos means study or discourse, was coined later by a French naturalist, Jean-Baptiste de Lamarck. Till the Middle Ages, biology was a descriptive science devoted to describing plants and animals on the basis of their external appearance as seen by the unaided eye. But the invention of the compound microscope in the 17th century made it possible to study the internal structure of the plant as well as animals and extremely small microorganisms like bacteria. Because of the development of a variety of newer tools and techniques in the last century, it has been possible to make deeper studies even on the most complicated subjects in biology. Let's see the more about biology in our future videos, guys. Please follow our channel. If you like our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like and comment. Thank you once again.